Hi everybody, welcome back to Nature Kids, and today I'll be doing grade 9 Geography English Medium lesson 5. The topic for today's lesson is reading of 1 to 50,000 topographic maps of Sri Lanka. So now let's get started with the lesson. Physical features and human or cultural features of a landscape is presented by maps. It is expected to study the physical and cultural features presented in the topographic maps of Sri Lanka in this unit. 1 to 50,000 topographic maps of Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, there are 92 topographic map sheets prepared to the scale of 1 to 50,000. These maps show both physical features and cultural features of the land. The key found at the lower margin of the map helps us understand the conventional signs and symbols used in the map. Physical features. Physical features are natural features found in the environment. Examples: mountains, rivers, forests, valleys, and lakes. These features are shown mainly by contour lines. By studying the pattern and spacing of contour lines, we can identify relief features such as hills, slopes, ridges, and valleys. And now we're going to talk about plain. As you can see here at the top side of the screen, this is what a plain actually looks like. So I know it because I read this thing, and it says a plain is a flat area on land. As you can see here, this is a really flat. A plane in a map can be identified by the widening of gap among contour lines. It's not on this picture, but if you see it on the map, well, obviously you can't see this in this one. It's not a map anyway. This is a map, and you can see the contour lines here. If you can see them, yeah, I think you can see them. Anyway, even in a plane, small higher places are found scattered, like these. Like you can see on the screen, like it goes flat here, and then we just have these mountainish, greenish tree. Is that a tree? Anyway, it just scattered in random places. Such places can be identified by a spot height. Highland. Regions located at higher elevation are called highlands. A highland can be identified in a topographic map as contour lines that are distributed close to each other. Now we can talk about river valley. Elongated lowlands located between highlands are called river valleys. Main rivers and distributaries flow through these valleys. Main river. A large natural stream of water that flows from a highland area to a lake or the ocean is called a main river. Tributary. Small stream or rivers that supply water to the main river are called tributaries. In the figure you can see a river valley. It's very nice, watery, streamy thingy. And to the right you can see a map. If you can see it, this is what a river valley looks from a map. Anyways, various topographic features are found in coastal areas too. Islands, point, bay are some of them. Island. Small land areas surrounded by the sea are called islands. Many islands are located on the northeastern coast near the Jaffna Peninsula. Point, also known as headland. Narrow pieces of land that extend into the sea are called points or headlands. Bay. A sea area that curves or extends into the land is called a bay. Islands, points, and bays. As you can see here, there's a ton of pictures, and this is a bay. Yeah, that's what a bay is, and this is the Pigeon Island. Maybe you've gone to it. I haven't. But it looks kind of nice actually. I should go there. Anyways, and points. somewhere around here. Here it is. Resume point, like that tiny dot. Okay, that is unseenable. You can barely see that. Anyway, that's what a point is. Cultural features. Cultural features are built or changed by humans in environment. Examples: roads, railways, buildings, schools, temples, tanks and canals, and bridges. Importance of conventional signs and symbols. Conventional signs and symbols help to read maps easily, identify natural and human-made features, understand the landscape clearly, save space on maps by using symbols instead of words, and a 50,000 topographic map can be used to study the natural and cultural landscape of Sri Lanka accurately. Remember, this is an exactly 1 to 50,000 topographic map. So, yeah, that map only. Now let's see the relationship between physical and cultural features. Main relationships. First, settlements. Settlements are widely found in flat plains. In mountainous regions, settlements are located in valleys and lowlands between mountains. Agriculture. Agriculture activities depend on the relief and drainage of the area. Paddy cultivation is common in flat river valleys. In hilly regions, paddy lands appear as narrow strips along rivers. Tea is cultivated in hilly areas. Rubber is grown on medium elevation slopes. Coconut is cultivated in coastal areas and suburbs. Irrigation system. Tanks and reservoirs are built by damming rivers where they pass through gaps in ridges. Canals are constructed according to the slope, gradient of the land. Road networks. Roads in flat areas are usually straight. In hilly regions, roads follow the shape of the land. River valleys and gaps are often used for road construction. Not construction, mostly road construction. Fifth, administrative boundaries. Many administrative boundaries are based on physical features such as rivers and mountain ranges. This shows that physical features strongly influence human activities and development patterns in Sri Lanka. And here are some maps needed for relationship between physical and cultural features. Better check these two maps out. I'm quite sure this is in your book, so better check it out. So that's all for today, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel and maybe even share it to a friend who's almost dying with her studies. Hashtag me. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, which I'll probably be sending around next week or some of those days. I'm not sure. I cannot keep a promise. I will break it. Anyway, until then, bye.